my lovely child. Better days are coming and require you to trust the process. You need to remember that you are a gem. Wherever you are on your journey, with whatever role you are fulfilling. Existence is blessed to have you because you are it. Don't allow self-doubt to distract yourself. The universe will have your back even when you are not hurrying, rushing, panicking, or constantly producing. There is no shame in allowing yourself to be naturally inspired instead of forcing creativity. Don't get overwhelmed by the fast-pacing new reality. Gracefully allow yourself to receive, accept, and be open to the transition. God says this world is filled with sadness, pain, and hurt, but it is also filled with joy, wonders, and beauty. Turn most of your attention to the goodness that this world has to offer. And use the pain of this world to your benefit. Allow it to help you grow. I love you. Type yes if you believe in God.